200.4 Neutral conductors. Neutral conductors shall be installed in accordance with 200.4 A and B. Enhanced content. Expand. A. Installation. Neutral conductors shall not be used for more than one branch circuit, for more than one multi-wire branch circuit, or for more than one set of ungrounded feeder conductors unless specifically permitted elsewhere in this code. Informational note. See 215.4 for information on common neutrals. B. Multiple circuits. Where more than one neutral conductor associated with different circuits is in an enclosure, grounded circuit conductors of each circuit shall be identified or grouped to correspond with the ungrounded circuit conductor as by wire markers, cable ties, or similar means in at least one location within the enclosure. Exception No. 1. The requirement for grouping or identifying shall not apply if the branch circuit or feeder conductors enter from a cable or a raceway unique to the circuit that makes the grouping obvious. Exception No. 2. The requirement for grouping or identifying shall not apply where branch circuit conductors pass through a box or conduit body without a loop as described in 314.16b1 or without a splice or termination.